Hello and welcome to Brother Frederick Beats. ImageLine has just released a new version of FL Studio, so let's jump into FL Studio and check what they have added in the new version of FL Studio. So I'll start with a plugin. There's a new plugin which they have added in the new version of FL Studio. So the new plugin is called Kepler Exo. Don't know if that's the way they'll be pronouncing this. So let's try it. So this is a new plugin which they have added in the new version of FL Studio. It doesn't have presets. As you can see, when I go to presets, just blank here. So let's put it at default. It looks good at default, just when you can see it clear. So it's good for those who know sound designing. You can design your sound and make it to sound the way you want it to sound. But when you play on the keyboard, it is playing some sound. The next one, it's an AI which generates some codes. More especially for those who don't know music theory, they have added AI in FL Studio which you can use to generate codes. Then you make a beat. So let me just repress this by FL keys. So when we replace it with FL keys, just right click and go to piano roll. So when you come to piano roll, just come on tools, click here, then you select this one which is then generate code progression, select it. So as you can see, then this window pop out. So this is a one they have added which can generate some codes for you. So if you want me to do a tutorial about this, just leave a comment below because it has got a lot of options which I can't explain at once, but I'm just showing you what they have added in FL Studio. So if I play this code, which is here, so just click on generate to generate codes for you. Let's try another one. So it has got some options like presets here. Then there is this one which is written menu. Then there is this one which is then generate. You can see some other options. When you click here, you can select the genre. Then there is advanced. You can see some other options here. So when you love the code, let's say, let's try to generate another one. So when you love this one, just click on accept. So the codes will be here for you, which you can use. So if I go on the channel rack, you can see these are the codes which it has generated for me, which I want to use. If I play them, so no panic to those who don't know music theory. You can just generate some codes and make a beat. Then the next one, it's an effect for making your sound to be wide. So I'll try it on the loop. Let me just add the loop. So I've added the guitar loop, just hear it. So let me just normalize it and then turn it a bit down because it sounds very quiet. Okay, so let's send it on the mixer on insert 1. Then you go on the mixer. Then let's add the effect. The effect, just go to new. So the new effect which I've added is this one which is called the spreader. Just select it. So when you click here, it is to solo it. So just hear the guitar without this effect. Hear it with the effect. So if you want, you can even make it more wide by turning this knob, which is called stereo separation. According to the percentage you want to make your sound to be wide, just drag it. Let's drag it all the way down since we are just trying it. So this one at the bottom, if you want to cut some low frequency, you can use this knob at the bottom. So you can hear the low frequency are sounding mono because I've done some low bypass. You can hear the way it is making the guitar to sound wide. They have added also some other things. You can just check them. So this has been Brother Frederick. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.